Hi everyone, welcome in this part of continue modeling lock and handle for Windows. So I'm gonna be modeling this structure and this piece for when you want to lock it using the key. Also want to just to look around and to take a look if you have a nice topology. I'm continue modeling. Also adding some detailing for this handle where you want to hold it like this. Just tap to edit mode, go over here, select the studio matcap, hit numpad 7 for the top view, so just grab it like this. I'm gonna be scaling it to, I think, y-axis, yes, y-axis. But like this it will be fine, yes, I think it will be fine, and with great shape, yes, it's nice. Just we want to add some screws like this, at this holes like as shown here. You have created a great shape for the topology and some detailing. Just I want to add some support loop cuts for these parts. Control, then tap to edit mode, Control R. So let's see what we have. Let's add some loop cuts at the tip of this handle, Control R. So let's add the loop cut over there, I think, Control R also. Just to make it with a nice shape and realistic shape. As shown here, so let's try to see what we have here. Control R. Just add another loop cut like this. Let's turn on the subdivision surface modifier. Let's see what we have here, just with 84,000 faces, with more details like this. Yes, it's great and fine with this topology. Yes, it's a realistic shape for the locking handle for window. So let's continue modeling this part, and we add, we add just 2 screws. I don't model the screws because I will let them for full tutorial how to model screws and use screw modifier. So just zoom in to see better. Also as shown here, hold down Alt, click on left mouse button, select this edge loop of vertices. Hit E key to extrude, then just to scale like this. Just I think I should scale it like this. Then hit E key, then S to extrude it again. To extrude, then S to scale. Scale it to the center. Also E to extrude. Click on left mouse button, S to scale to the center. For this part at the center, the hole where we want to enter the key to open this locking handle. So let's try to see what we have. I think I should hit numpad 7 for top view. This is just with much more detailing for this hole to make it like this. So let's continue. Just I'm gonna be selecting this part. Over there, I think I should select this part. Over there, so let's align it to y-axis, s, x, then 0 like this. Grab this vertex to along the x-axis, just make it over there because I'm gonna be grabbing all these vertices to make realistic hole for the key as shown here. I think I should grab all these parts, grab to along the x-axis. Select all these vertices like this, grab it to x-axis. Just I'm gonna grabbing these two vertices, grab to x-axis like this. Up to x-axis, and we go to do some adjustment for that to make the hole for the key grab along the x-axis. Grab it to x-axis. Grab it to x-axis like this. Grab it to x-axis. Just grab these two vertices also in order to make them align and close to these aligned vertices like this. Grab it to x-axis. Grab it to x-axis. Just do it for all these vertices. And here we have, I think, created the hole for the key like this. Just will be fine. Just I think I should select all these vertices. So just rotate it like this. I think I should select switch to face selection mode like this. Select all these faces, then grab it to the axis. Because we have a slice and some gap in between this part and this part, because we have created, as you can see, the lock for the handle. And just a tiny bit different, and I think I should insert it just tiny bit, just a little bit like this. Let's zoom to see if we have any issues and the problems with this shape as shown here. So I think I should grab it, or not scale, just Alt S. Let's see what we have. that will be fine, I think. Control Z. Then we should insert the faces in that gap are selected as shown here, and you can see that that's going to be insert. Control R. Let's add a loop cut like this in order to support this edge to be so sharp, just like this. And I'm gonna be adding two loop cuts for this part. Just scale, switch to wireframe mode. Where we should work, yes, also like this. You can see, just go over there. I think this will be fine, yes. As shown here in the wireframe mode, Control R. Let's just zoom in to see it better. Have a look at a loop cut over there. Control R, we should add another loop cut over here, just like this. I think this will be fine, yes. Control R to add another loop cut. Just grab it close to this edge. Switch to subdivision surface modifier. So let's continue working on this model. Control R to add another loop cut like this. I think this should be. Grab it like this. It will be so fine to make the exact shape for the key, the hole for the key. Control R. Control R also to support this edge. Like this. As we can see over there. So switch to vertex selection mode. I think I should make some curvature and making some protrusion around this hole for the key. So let's select it and extrude to Z axis, I think, yes, extrude it to Z axis, just a tiny bit. Switch to wireframe mode. Switch to wireframe mode as shown here. Then Control R, let's add loop cut. I think this will be so fine. Control R. Let's add it close to this shape like this. Let's heat numpad 1, I think. Numpad 1. Just grab it like this. Zoom in. Switch to solid mode like this. I'm gonna be just selecting a vertex in order to make some I think this part I want to select some parts to make them going down just tiny bit to grab them. Just tiny bit to make a great and very nice shape for this hole for a key. Grab it to the axis, I think. Just like this. Switch to subdivision surface modifier. So let's see what we have. Go to switch to reflective mode to see. I think it's fine and very good like this. This is just hole for the key. Also what we need to, I think I should add some loop cuts. I think this tutorial is finished. I'm gonna be adding 2 screws in these holes. Just I don't model the screws because I will let them for full tutorial in order to study and understand what is a screw modifier. So just let's add some screws. Go over here, edit them, preferences. I think the screws are available on this part, so click on the leftmost button like this, or Shift A, I think, yes, Shift A. Go over here, search for just fasteners. Yes, fasteners. We have got screws. Just click on the screw, you will get screw like this. Now we don't want this screw, control. So Shift A to search for another screw. Here worm, diamonds, extras. Let's see what you have. So let's search in the add-ons if we have add-ons. Then let's see what we have here. We'll just go into using fasteners screw because not available. So let's make it, just scale it to be good and so available. Good and accurate for our modeling. Grab it to x-axis like this. Hit 1 for the front view. Grab it to x-axis. Now part 7, grab it to y-axis. Just take it over there. Grab it to x-axis. Just to try to adjust it and place it in the right place. Like this, grab it to along the axis. Just like this. I think I should scale it. Grab it to the axis. So let's switch to subdivision surface modifier. Grab it to the axis. Just we need to duplicate it or use the mirror modifier. Click on this screw, also go over here, the mirror modifier, then click on this eyedropper, take it over the shape you want to mirror it, and to have added this shape, so just grab it. I think let's apply this modifier. Because of not the same distance, you can't apply a mirror modifier, so Ctrl Z. Hit on a button photo view, just I'm gonna be duplicating, Shift D to duplicate it, then grab it to X-axis. Grab it along the X-axis like this. I think it will be so fine and good, yes. And to have created this nice shape. Later I will show you how to model screws using screw modifier. This is the right shape. Thanks for watching.